Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to our second installment in our anti-stress, anti-anxiety DIY activities. In today's activity, we are going to learn how to do a simple glitter jar. All you are going to need to do the glitter jar is hot water. Now, make sure the water is not boiling hot or too hot. Just regular hot faucet water is good, because if you make it too hot, this is what the jar will look like. I did one too hot in the beginning just to show you what it will do to the plastic. You can see the difference in these two plastics on how it misshapes it. So that's what will happen. So all it has to be is hot tap water. Okay? Next thing you're going to need is your all-purpose clear glue. It needs to be clear. As you can see from here, the glue is clear. And of course, your glitter. We're going to use blue. Excuse me. Now, you can use any type of glitter you want in your bottle for the glitter. Now, you can also use food coloring to help top it off, but we're not going to do any food coloring. And before we begin, I want to give you a little info on the glitter jar. Glitter jars are also called calm down or calming jars because they can help focus your mind. They promote mindfulness and reduce anxiety. When feeling stressed or overwhelmed, try shaking your jar and taking a few moments to watch the glitter swirl and settle. This little timeout gives your mind a much needed stress break. Now you can use any colored glitter you would like, and you can add food coloring to the water for a pop-off color. Excuse me. But as I said, we're not going to do that. So let's get started on making our glitter jar. First thing we're going to do, we're going to fill about the jar 1/3 of the way with hot water. Okay, so we're going to open the jar. And we're going to go about 1/3 of the way. Oops, I went a little bit too much, so we're going to pour some out. Because you only want it about 1/3 of the way, which is about right there. Okay? Now you're going to move the water aside. And then you're going to add half a bottle of clear glue. Now I have a big bottle, so all I'm going to do is put this to halfway on here. So I'm going to move it here where I can see it. And you can watch me pour the glue in until it's about halfway. Now this is very inexpensive to make. You can buy these little jars at the store. Well, it says you're supposed to use a half a bottle of the thing, so I'm just going to do this. And squeeze. Now I've used only up until about here, I think, so far on the glue. Yeah, because you can see it right there. So I used about a little less than 1/4. Like I said, this is a big one. You can buy a small thing of clear glue, or you can do more than one glitter jar if you like. I'm just going to do one just to show you. Okay, that's as much glue as I'm going to use right now. Okay, and then we're going to swirl it, we're not going to shake it. So you need something thin. So I'm just going to take an old pencil, see, and swirl it so it mixes. You don't shake it, just swirl it like I'm doing. Okay. And then we're going to add the glitter. Now the glitter I have is a shaker glitter, so I don't really need a funnel. It's brand new. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to puncture it open like that. And we're going to pour some glitter in. Now they say to use a funnel because it's a lot easier to do. But I'm just going to do this. If I get it on my desk, I'm not worrying. If you don't want to make a mess, I would use the funnel. But I'm not going to do that. Okay? And then you're going to you're just going to add a little bit more water to it. Like that. And you see the water will go down. Now I'm going to put the top on. And I'm going to shake it like this to mix it. Because you want it mixed, you want all that glitter mixed. See, I wiped it up. Pretty glitter. Okay? And there's your glitter bottle. Now you can open it to make sure you have enough water in your glitter bottle. I'm going to add a little bit more to it just to make sure I have enough because it settles. But that's it. There's your glitter bottle. And you can, look at it, shake it, and watch it settle. And it's very calming and relaxing. But that is how you do your glitter bottles. So now I'm going to close up my glue. Close up this. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed this little activity. It's very inexpensive and easy for you to make at home. Until I see you again, remember to always see with your heart and not your eyes, and that each and every one of you are important because you matter. I love each and every one of you. Bye.